So here is my video demonstration of my assembly language version of the Midterm 1 assignment. I will clean and build, download into my debugger, which is the Picket 5. Once I do, here is my breadboard, which is currently in mode 0, which has the dip switches at D0 and D1 both off. If I turn my D0 switch on, then I will enter the first, well, I guess the first mode would be that all lights are off. So this is my first mode of just the flashing G segment or minus sign. If I turn on the D1 switch as well, then the two segments start rotating counterclockwise. And then if I turn that D1 or D0 switch back off, my light then begins to rotate in the clockwise direction. And also in my circuit, I installed a reset button, which is just on off, so it resets as needed. And in this portion of my video demonstration, it is the C code version of that same assembly language project that accomplishes the same goal. So as I download it to my Picket 5, we once again come down to my breadboard, which again, my dip 0 and dip 1 switch, or D0 and D1 dip switches are both in the off position, leaving my light to be off completely. Once I turn on my D0 switch, once again, I am just flashing the segment G at 500 milliseconds. Then if I turn on the D1, the switch at D1, then it starts rotating the two segments in the counterclockwise direction. If I turn that D0 switch back off, then it goes back to rotating in the clockwise direction. And also, once again, I have my reset button that will reset as needed